Ooh. Are you tired of a loud toilet lid? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your current toilet seat with a toilet seat that has a nice, slow closing lid, nice and quiet. It's a DIY job. I'm Robert. You're watching Locksmith Recommended. I'm going to be putting on basically a universal toilet seat with lid that I picked up off of Amazon. I'll put a link to the product I bought down below in the description of this video. The only thing you really got to watch out for when replacing your toilet seat cover is whether or not you have a standard seat or an elongated seat. Just make sure you buy a universal seat that will fit the toilet you have. I'm going to move my phone down and show you what the bolts that are holding this seat in look like. All right, so on the top, they just have these caps that are snapped on. A lot of times you can pop them off like I did there. If you need to, you can use your screwdriver to pop it off. And then I'm gonna have my two plastic nuts here. Now in this case, I'm just gonna go in and unscrew these plastic nuts and hold it on the bottom just to make sure I can get this up all the way out. On this system, you have basically a base plate. You take your screw and you lock it into your base plate like so. Put it through the hole. And then this is the bolt. Now this bolt has a special feature on it. You're going to hand snug that bolt, and at the end you're going to use a wrench to twist this nut. And when it has enough pressure and enough strength, this nut's going to break off, and that's what prevents you from over torquing the seat. Now I'm just going to use an adjustable crescent wrench to do that. Any wrench that you have will be fine. This is the one that I grabbed. It slides and locks into place like so. And just line those up with the holes. Drops right in. First we're going to hand snug it, then we're going to adjust the seat so the seat sits proper, and then we're going to tighten down. Okay, I have those hand snug now. Let me lift the seat up and adjust this so everything looks good. Let me do the final tightening of those bolts. All right, the one on the right side has snapped. Now the one on the left side has snapped. Close the seat itself, nice, slow closing, quiet, and close the cover. Also nice, slow closing, quiet. Replacing a toilet seat is a DIY job. It's something you can do on your own. It's very easy to do. The entire project took about 10 minutes. I'm Robert, you're watching Locksmith Recommended.